My name is Julian Fernandez. I'm a full-stack developer and the president of Moto Design Studio. So Moto Design Studio is a web agency based in Montreal, Canada. It's been around for almost 25 years. Been through a few iterations, but for the last 2 years, Greg and I, who's my business partner, has turned it around to be a WordPress-focused web development agency. Then a lot of freelance work. Then I met with Greg and we decided to join forces to allow us to be able to have our own focuses within an agency, one being more the business and sales side, and the other end would be the tech side. There has been a big demand for WordPress specifically because some people have already been on WordPress for a very long time. They've gotten used to it. The backend is great to use, and your ability to expand functionality on your own website is huge. You can go to the route of e-commerce, you can build a forum. It's almost basically limitless. SEO is one of those things that's ever changing, and lately Google has been putting a lot of emphasis on that: infrastructure, speed, code ethics, stuff like that. So we're trying to always be ahead of that and let our customers know that we're helping them be ahead of that as well. We tell them what happens when you have crappy hosting if they're not already aware, and we usually use data to do that. So we ask them to have access to the site, and then we would actually give them a rundown of how their site is currently performing. So basically like a nice website analysis. And then sometimes we'd actually put their site on staging on Kingsta. And by doing that, we can then show another metrics report showing improvement on page speed, security, and overall performance of their website. It helps close the deal pretty quickly. One of the things that stand out the most in regarding to the benefits of using Kingsta would be reliability. Reliability is a big one. We've always had issues with other web hosting companies that can't help figure out the issue, don't know what the issue is, and usually tend to blame it on the code. And usually it could be the code, but sometimes it is the server as well. And we believe the way the Kingsta server platform infrastructure is configured and monitored and maintained delivers a robust service for us that we then just relay it to our customers. We want our customers to be able to rely on us all the time for everything that's related to their website. We feel that once we have a customer that they want us to do work on their website that's not hosted by us, always leads to problems. There's not the proper DevOps, they might have issues with their existing web hosting platform, and that automatically becomes our issues and our problems that we have to solve. We believe Kingsta aligns properly with our same values in the sense of quality over quantity.